All right, so in our previous lesson, we did a little sales tax intro, and today is going to be graded problem number 1. So you're doing sales tax problem number 1 right now. So the question is up on your screen here. It says Mrs. G is buying a set of Christmas lights at Target for $4. What is the cost with 6% sales tax? So your job is to go ahead and find the final price of these Christmas lights with the sales tax. So I'm going to have the video pause. It'll pop up with a fill in the blank question for you. You'll do your work and you'll go ahead and type out what your answer actually is. Please make sure you include a dollar sign and that your answer looks like money. All right, so we talked the other day about using method 1 or method 2. So if you're using method 1, you're going to do 0.06 times 4, and that's going to give you 0.24, which you would then say the lights were $4 and you're adding on 24 cents. So your total would be $4.24. If you preferred to use method 2, you would have done 1.06 times 4, which would have right away gotten you to the $4.24 here. I'm going to ask you to keep your notebook out because we're going to do an example today about calculating the discounted price first and then recalculating our sales tax. And then in your next lesson, you'll have to do both a regular tax problem and then a discount and sales tax problem as well. So what we're going to do here is we have $4 Christmas lights are on sale for 10% off. What is the price of the lights with the discount and 6% sales tax? So you always go in this order. The discount comes off. And then step 2, you pay tax on the lower price. So this is kind of one of those places where we actually get a little break on the tax that we don't have to pay it on the original price, which is kind of nice. So for step 1, we're going to do a discount. This is money that comes off. So again, you have method 1 and you have method 2. Method 1 would be changing your percent to a decimal. So 10% would be 0.10, and we're going to multiply it by those $4 Christmas lights. When I multiply, that's going to give me 40 cents off. Since this is money coming off, instead of adding it on, I'm going to actually subtract it. So my Christmas lights are going to be $3.60. If you would like to look at method 2 for this one, there's another option. Since you're getting 10% off, the full price of the lights is 100%. You get 10% off, so now you're only paying 90% of the original price. 90% is 0.90 multiplied by 4, and you'll still get $3.60 for the price of the lights. So the discounted price or the sale price is $3.60. For step 2, we now need to go calculate our sales tax again. The sales tax is going to be different because the price of the lights is different. So we can't just use our sales tax from the first problem that we did earlier. So if you're a method 1 person, we're still paying 6%, but now we're paying 6% on $3.60. So when I multiply that in my calculator, I get 0.216, which would round to 0.22, and that's my tax. Tax is going to get added on. So the lights are now $3.60, and I add on my 22 cents. So I'm going to be paying $3.82 now for the lights. If you prefer method 2 for this one, you're paying 1.06% of the new price of the lights. So we're still adding that sales tax on. The 100% represents the new sale price of your lights here. So 1.06 times 3.60 is going to give you 3.816, which you will round up to be $3.82. So either way that you do this, you're still going to end up with the same exact final answer here. So please remember, when we do a graded one in the next time that you are working on this, you're going to find the discount first, and then you'll find the new sales tax amount on the lower price. You'll notice that in here, the sales tax was higher. It was actually 24 cents, and our final cost was more than our final cost is with the discount here, and our sales tax was actually a lower amount. That's how you calculate problems where you do discount first and then sales tax.